Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma and today we are going to talk about weekend plans.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
So Emma, what do you usually do on weekends?
I usually rest and sleep a little more.
Oh, nice. I also like sleeping on weekends.
Yes, weekdays are very busy.
Do you go out sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I go to the park.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
I usually watch movies on weekends.
Oh, really? What kind of movies?
I like comedy movies.
That sounds fun.
Do you watch movies too?
Yes, I watch movies with my family.
That is very nice.
We enjoy it together.
Do you cook on weekends?
Sometimes I cook simple food.
Like what?
Pasta or eggs.
That is easy and good.
Yes, very simple cooking.
I also like easy food.
Me too.
Do you meet friends?
Yes, I meet 1 or 2 friends.
That sounds fun.
We talk and drink coffee.
I like coffee too.
Coffee is very popular.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up late, maybe 9 or 10.
Same for me on weekends.
It feels very relaxing.
Yes, no alarm clock.
Exactly.
Let's talk more about weekend routines.
Yes, I like this topic.
Do you clean your house on weekends?
Yes, I clean a little.
I also clean my room.
That is important.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every weekend.
What kind of music?
Pop music mostly.
I like pop too.
Music makes me happy.
Do you go shopping?
Sometimes I go shopping.
What do you buy?
Food or clothes.
I understand.
Shopping is relaxing.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use it a lot.
Same here.
I watch short videos.
Me too, especially on weekends.
Time passes fast.
Very fast.
Do you study on weekends?
A little bit.
That is good.
I review English.
That is helpful.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I walk.
Walking is good.
Yes, very healthy.
Do you go to the gym?
Not always.
Same for me.
Weekends are for rest.
Yes, I agree.
But light exercise is good.
True.
Do you cook special meals?
Sometimes pizza.
Oh, I love pizza.
Me too.
Homemade pizza is best.
Yes, very tasty.
Do you watch TV shows?
Yes, many episodes.
I do the same.
Which show do you like?
I like comedy shows.
Same here.
We have similar tastes.
That is funny.
Yes, it is.
Do you travel on weekends?
Sometimes small trips.
Like where?
Nearby cities.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, very fun.
I like short trips too.
Not too far.
Exactly.
Do you visit family?
Yes, often.
Family time is important.
I agree.
We eat together.
That is nice.
Weekend food is special.
Yes, more relaxed.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, every weekend.
I prefer tea at night.
Same here.
It feels calm.
Very calm.
Do you read books?
Sometimes.
What books?
Easy English books.
That is good practice.
Yes, I try.
I also read sometimes.
Nice habit.
Do you feel weekends are short?
Yes, very short.
Time flies.
Always.
We need more rest time.
I agree.
Weekdays are stressful.
Yes, very busy.
Weekends help us recover.
That is true.
Do you sleep in the afternoon?
Sometimes, yes.
I also take naps.
Naps are good.
Very refreshing.
Do you go to cafes?
Yes, I like cafes.
Me too.
Coffee and cake.
Perfect combination.
Weekend happiness.
Yes, exactly.
Do you feel relaxed?
Yes, I do.
Me too.
Let's learn some useful weekend vocabulary.
Good idea.
The word relax means to rest your mind.
Yes, like no stress.
Example sentence, I relax on weekends.
That is a useful sentence.
Another word is routine.
Routine means daily habits.
Example, my weekend routine is simple.
Very clear.
We also use free time.
Free time means no work time.
Example, I enjoy my free time.
That is easy English.
Now grammar tip. I go is present simple.
Yes, we use it for habits.
Example, I go shopping every weekend.
Good example.
Verb go is irregular.
Yes, go, went, gone.
Pronunciation tip, weekend is one word.
Yes, weekend.
Repeat, weekend.
Weekend.
Great job.
Learning is fun.
Yes, very useful for beginners.
Keep practicing every day.
What about you? What do you do on weekends?
Please think about your answer.
Write it in the comments.
We want to know your routine.
If you like this episode, like and subscribe.
Share it with your friends.
Practice English every day.
Thank you for listening.
Today was a lot of fun talking about weekends.
Yes, I enjoyed our conversation.
We learned many simple words.
And useful sentences, too.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Keep practicing English.
See you next time.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye.